Third graders, today your readers are closed. 97 in your notebook, please. Oh. Everybody is going to be on page 97 in your activity notebook. Page 97 at the top should say what? That is what we read yesterday. So we are all good to go with it. But today we're going to first do a reread with a partner. We're going to go over the questions. Everybody point to question 1. Read question 1 with me. Which of the following did Alice find most odd about the white rabbit? All of us could answer that together. Did he find it odd that he wore clothes? No. Did she find it odd that he talked to himself? No. Did she find it odd that he hopped down a hole? No. She found it odd what? That he... The whole pocket watch thing. Is pocket watch one of the answers? Yeah. Ran past her, pocket watch, or talked to himself? Oh my goodness, what was it? So you can circle B, but here's the deal. Down below those, what is it asking you for? Page number. You will need to go back in the text and find the page. Not right now. That'll be you and your partner's job. We answered the question together. You'll go back in and find the page number. Everybody point to number 2. Aiden, point to number 2. Lexi, point to number 2. Fabulous, thank you. Read number 2 with me. Describe what Alice saw as she fell down the hole. So what was she seeing? Now remember, do we just say, what are some things she saw? Zena, what'd she see? Cupboards. She saw cupboards, right? Do I just write cupboards? If I was going to answer this question, how might that look? Cooper, how might that look?
She saw cupboards when she was falling.
Ooh, I love that because the question asked about her falling, right? Cooper said she saw cupboards when she was falling. Does that take the question and put it in our answer? Mm-hmm. That's one great way to do it. Now, she saw more than cupboards. So when you go to answer this, you're going to add more detail than that. And you might do it a little bit different than Cooper did, but that's one of the things she saw. Point number 3. This says, list the flavors Alice tasted when she drank from the bottle labeled. Drink me. There's a whole list of flavors, but notice there's 6 lines. So how many things should you have written down?
6.
And then at the bottom, what does it ask you for?
Page number.
Page number. Because you're copying something directly from the book to this page, what do you think I expect about spelling?
To be correct.
It should be correct. Very good. Go to the back page of it, please. The back page says, predict what will happen after Alice drinks from the bottle. So this is your prediction. Now, are you just going to say dies?
No.
Are you just going to say follows the rabbit? Whatever your prediction is, how is that going to sound when you go to write it? Love to see these volunteers. Thank you. Grayson, how would that sound when you write it?
After she drinks the bottle, she will
Fabulous. And you could even add that predict piece, right? I predict after she drinks the bottle, she will, and you fill it in. Fabulous, Grayson. That was wonderful. Last but not least, this is an evidence question. You have to go in the text and find evidence. And I know that because the first 2 words are what?
Evidence.
Thank you, Viola. The first 2 words are
what evidence
is there in the text to support your prediction. So you're making your prediction. What do you read in the story that supports that? You could say, in the story I read, and you can fill it in, okay? That's a good way to start that one. You're going to do a quick reread with a partner, and then you're back to answering this. Today, I would like you to answer these on your own. And we've talked through most of them, okay? We will turn these in. Yes?
So when they say what evidence was that in the text to support the prediction, could you already, you have to use a book, or could you use something like already know?
Nope, you have to use the book because it says evidence in the text. So she wants to know kind of that background knowledge for maybe something else. Is that what you're thinking? Nope, it says in the text. So according to our story then. Thank you for asking that because a lot of us do have background knowledge on this. Because we're going to turn this in, You guys can all just kind of rip it out of your book a little bit. Be very careful with it. Put the activity book away and leave this on your desk with your name on it. And I will get you your partners. Sound good? That happens. No big deal. Post pictures of it when you're done.
We got this one.